Good morning, students. Sai Ram. Today we are going to continue Chapter 4 Subtraction, Part 5. Now, in today's class, we are going to do word problem. Now, let us start with the first question. Okay? First, I am reading the question, children. Rajni buys shoes worth rupees 425 and a school bag worth rupees 268. How much more does she spend on shoes than on the bag? So, this is the question. So, you should read the question first twice because you have to write the statement in word problem. You have to write the statement and then you have to do the sum. So, first you will again read the question. Rajni buys shoes worth rupees 425, right? So, what will be your first statement? Yes, cost of shoes is how much? Rupees 425. This is the cost of shoes. Now we have to make second statement. And a school bag worth rupees 268. So what is the cost of this school bag? 268. So that will be your second statement. Cost of school bag equal to rupees 268. Now what you have to find out? How much more does she spend on shoes than on the bag? This you have to find out. So what will be your next statement? Yes, cost of shoes spend more than on the bag. Now if you see the cost, which things cost is more, shoes or school bag? Shoes, right? So you have to write the statement, the cost of shoes spend more than on the bag. It is how much more, right? So for that, which operation you will do? Subtraction. So you will write 425 minus 268. And now we are going to show the working. Now first what you will do, again you will write the place, that is units, tens, hundred, and now you have to arrange the numbers. Now let us arrange. So what will come in units place? 5. Tens place 2 and hundreds place 4, right? 425. Now we will write down number. What will come in units place? 8. Tens place 6, hundreds place 2. Now you see the numbers, 425 minus 268. Now again we are going to start from the units place. Now see the numbers in units place, 5 and 8. Can you subtract 8 from 5? No, na? So what you will do, you have to go to tens place. Tens place there is 2. So you will ask 2 to give you 1. So what you will do? Yes, you will cut 2 place 1. Now out of 2 you can take 1 10 in units place. So you will cut 5. What will come in units place? 1 tens and 5 units. It will be 15. Now bigger number is up, smaller number is down. Now you can subtract. So 15 minus 8 is how much? Very good, 7. Now we will go to tens place. Now here also see, up 1 and down 6. You cannot minus 6 from 1. So you have to go to hundreds place. So what you will do? You will cut 4 and out of 4 you will take 1 to tens place. So 4 minus 1, what will remain in hundreds place? 3. Very good. Now we can borrow from hundreds place 1 to tens place. So how much will come in tens place now? You have to cut 1 and what you will write? 11. Now you can subtract 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6 is how much? 5. Very good. Now we will go to hundreds place. That is 3 minus 2. So out of 3, you have to minus 2. What will remain in hundreds place now? 1. So what answer you got? 157. Now you have to write the last statement, that is answer. Yes, she spent rupees 157 more on shoes than on the bag. So this will be your answer, children. Now we will do second sum. There are 8240 men and 7965 women in a village. How many less women than men does the village have? Now here they have given the number of men and number of women, right? So our statement will be also in the same way. So how you are going to start? Yes, first you will write number of men because there are 8240 men is given. Now we will write second statement. What it is? Number of women. How much it is? 7965. And if you see the number of men and women, who is more in this village? Yes, the number of men is more in this village than the women. So we have to find how much more it is. Okay. So what will be your third statement? Yes, men less than number of men. So we have to find the number of women. How much it is less than the number of men. So 8240 minus 7965. Again we are going to do subtraction. Now we will do the working and show you. So now 4-digit number. So you will write the place, that is units, tens, hundred, thousand. Right? Now let us see which number will come where. Now 0 will come in units place. 4 will come in tens place. 2 in hundreds place. 8 in thousands place. This is number of men. Now down we will write number of women, right? Now what will come? 5 in units place. 6 in tens place. 9 in hundreds place. And 7 in thousands place. So after arranging the number, now we are going to subtract. So we are going to start from which place? Units place. Okay. Now see the number in units place. It is 0 and 5. You cannot subtract 5 from 0, right? So what you will do? You will go to tens place. You will cut 4 and what will come in tens place now? 4 minus 1? 3. And now you can borrow from 110 to units place. So what you will do? You will cut 0. What will come in units place now? 10. Now up bigger number 10 and down smaller number 5. Now you can subtract. So 10 minus 5 is how much? Yes, 10 minus 5 is 5. Very good. Now we will see tens place number. See 3 and 6. Again, you cannot subtract 6 from 3 because 3 is small, right? So you will go to hundreds place. So you will cut 2. 2 minus 1 will be 1 in hundreds place. And now you can borrow 1 to tens place. So you will cut 3. And what will come in tens place now? 13. Now 13 minus 6. Find out how much it is. 7. Very good. 13 minus 6. 7. Now we will go to hundreds place. Now up you can see 1 and down it is 9. Again you cannot subtract, right? So what you will do? You will go to thousands place. So you will cut 8. 8 minus 1 will be how much? 7. You are borrowing 1 to hundreds place now. So you will cut 1 And what will come in hundreds place? Yes, 11. Now, bigger number is up, smaller number is down. So, 11 minus 9 will be how much? Yes, it is 2. Now, we will see thousands place. 7 minus 7. Same number. What will come? 0. So, what is your answer, children? 275. Now, you have to write the answer. So, 275 women are less than men. Okay, what is your answer, children? 275 women are less than men. Okay, now let's see next question. Question number 3. Jatin buys a wristwatch worth rupees 9,550 and clothes worth rupees 5,765. How much more does he spend on wristwatch than on clothes? Now here the cost of wristwatch and clothes are given, right? So you have to see that how much more he spent on wristwatch than on clothes. So what will be your first statement, children? Yes, you will write cost of wristwatch. How much it is? Rupees 9,550. And what is your second statement? Yes, cost of clothes. How much it is? Rupees 5,765. And your last statement will be amount more he spent on wristwatch than on clothes. That how much amount is spent more on wristwatch than on clothes. So what you will do? Subtraction. 9550 minus 5765. Now let us see how to do the working. Now it is a 4-digit number, right? So you will write the place first, that is units, tens, hundred, thousand. Now let us see which number will come where. Yes, 0 will come in units place, 5 in tens place, again 5 in hundreds place, and 9 in thousands place, right? Now let us see the next number. 5 in units place, 6 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place, and 5 in thousands place. So after arranging the numbers, now we can subtract. So we will see the numbers in units place first. See the numbers 0 and 5. Can you subtract 5 from 0? No. So what you will do? You will go to tens place. So what you will do? You have to cut 5. Out of 5, you are going to borrow 1 to units place. So minus 1 will be 4 in tens place now. Now you can take 1 to units place. So you will cut 0. And what will come in units place now? 10. Very good. Now you can subtract, right? 10 minus 5. How much it is? Yes, 5. Now we will see tens place number. Again, you cannot subtract 6 from 4. 4 is small. So you have to go to hundreds place. So what you will do? You will cut 5. Again, 5 minus 1 will be how much? 4. And you will borrow 100 to tens place. So what you will do? You will cut 4. And what will come in tens place now? 14. Very good. Now you can subtract, right? So 14 minus 6. How much it will come? Very good. 8. Right? Now we will go to hundreds place. Now you cannot subtract 7 from 4 because 4 is small. So again you have to borrow. You will go to thousands place and borrow from there. So you will cut 9. 9 minus 1, how much? 8. 8 will remain in thousand place now. Now you can take 1000 to hundreds place. So you will cut 4 and what will come in hundreds place now? 14. Yes, very good. Now you can subtract. 14 minus 7 is how much? 7. Yes. Now we will see thousands place. 8 minus 5 is how much? 3. So what is your answer? 3785. So how you are going to write the answer? Yes, he spent rupees 3785 more on wristwatch than on clothes. So this is your answer. Now let us do next question. The answer to an addition is 826. One of the numbers is 358, which is the other number. See, understand the question. What is the question given here? The answer, when we add two numbers, we get the answer 826. Now, out of those two numbers, if one of the number is 358, which is the other number, right? So same way we will write the statement also now. So what will be our first statement? Answer to addition. How much it is? 8 to 6. Okay. What will be our second statement? One number. One number is 358. What we have to find out? Okay, other number, right? How we are going to find out now? We will write HTU. Now let us arrange the numbers first. Let us see which number will come in units place. 6. 2 in tens place and 8 in hundreds place, right? We will do subtraction now. Now second number, 8 in units place, 5 in tens place and 3 in hundreds place. Okay, now we can subtract. We will go to first units place. Now you cannot subtract 8 from 6. So what you will do? You will go to tens place. You have to borrow from there. So you will cut 2. 2 minus 1 will be 1 in tens place. And now you can borrow 110 to units place. So you will cut 6 and what will come in units place? 16, right? Now you can subtract. So 16 minus 8 is how much? Yes, 16 minus 8 is 8. Very good. Now we will see tens place. Can you subtract 5 from 1? No. So you will go to hundreds place. So you will cut 8. 8 minus 1 will be 7 now. Now you can borrow from hundreds place to tens place. So you will cut 1. And what will come in tens place? Yes, 11, right? Now you can subtract. So 11 minus 5 is how much? 6. Very good, children. Now we will go to hundreds place. 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. So what is your answer now? 468. So how you are going to write the statement? Yes, other number is 468. So this is your answer. Now we will do last word problem. Okay. There are 47,789 storybooks in Marathi out of 71,029 storybooks in a library. What is the number of storybooks in other languages? So here you can see what is given: storybooks in a library, out of which they have given the number of Marathi storybooks. We have to find the storybooks which are there in other languages, right? So what will be our first statement? Yes, first we will write total number of story books. Since that is a bigger number, right? First we will write total. How many total books are there in the library? Total number of story books is how much? 71,029. What will be our second statement? Number of Marathi story books. How much it is? 47,789. Now what we have to find out, right? What will be the third statement? Yes, number of other books. So 71029 minus 47789. Now let's do the working. Okay. Now we are going to do the working, children. Since it is a 5-digit number, so first we will write the place, that is units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now let us arrange the numbers. What will come in units place? Okay. See, 9 will be in units place, 2 in tens place, 0 in hundreds place, 1 in thousands place, and 7 in 10,000s place. Let us arrange the next number. 9 in units place, 8 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place, 7 in thousands place, and 4 in 10,000s place. Now let us start the subtraction. So first we will say units place. Now units place, see the number 9 minus 9. What is the answer? 9 minus 9? Yes, it is 0. Now we will see tens place. Can you subtract 8 from 2? No. So what you will do? You want to go to next place, that is hundreds place. But hundreds place is also what? 0. 100 can't give you anything. So you will go to thousands place to borrow. So what you will do? You will cut 1. Right? And what will come in thousands place now? 0. Now we can take 1 to hundreds place. So you will cut 0. And what will come in hundreds place now? 10. Right? Now from hundreds place you can take to tens place. Right? So what you will do? You will cut 10 and take 1 to tens place. So 10 minus 1, 9 will remain in hundreds place. Now you will cut 2 and now what will come in tens place? 12. Now you can subtract. 12 minus 8 is how much? 4. Now 9 minus 7 is how much? 2. Now we will go to thousands place. Now you cannot subtract 7 from 0. Right? So you have to go to 10,000s place to borrow. So what you will do? You will cut 7. What 7 minus 1? What will come in 10,000s place? 6. Now you can take 1 to thousands place. So you will cut 0. And what will come in thousands place? 10. Now 10 minus 7 will be how much? Yes, 3. Now we will go to 10,000s place. 6 minus 4. How much it is? 2. So what is your answer? 23,240. So now we will write the answer statement, right? There are 23,240 storybooks in other languages. So this is how you have to do the sum. Okay. Now we are going to continue with word problem in the next class.